art friends, today we're going to draw a cute teddy bear holding a cute heart. I'm going to show you step by step how to draw the basic shape of the bear, and I'm going to color it, and finally I'm going to add some details such as the white highlights to make the bear look more 3D. Now let's get started. So we'll first start by drawing the ear of the bear, so I'm going to draw a circle without fully closing the circle at the bottom. And then I'm going to draw a curved line that goes across the paper. That's the top of the bear's head. And I'm going to draw another similar sized circle without fully closing it in. Then I'm going to draw the side of the face. So I'm going to draw a curved line that goes out and comes back in, but without fully bringing it back to the center yet. And I'm going to show you why later. So now let's draw the other side, a similar curve shape on the other side for the face. There. Okay, so now without fully closing it in, we're going to draw another layer for the ears so we can color the ears in 2 different shades later. And let's draw the face. So I'm going to draw 2 short brows. And 2 ovals for the eyes. Upside down triangle for the nose, but I'm going to round off the corners to make the nose look cuter and shade in the nose with black. There. Now I'm going to add 2 curved lines for a sweet smile. And I'm going to draw a soft curve around the nose area, but without fully closing it at the bottom yet. There, so we're going to leave it open like that. Now, let's find us a point in the center. This is where our heart will begin. So I'm going to draw a heart cone that comes down this way. But I'm not gonna draw the whole thing yet because the bear's hands need to hold the heart. So I'm gonna leave a space here for the hand. And now let's draw the other side. So from here, let's draw a curved line out and bring it back towards the center. I'm going to round it off by connecting it back to this line right there and 2 short lines for the paw. I'm going to do the same thing on the other side. Draw this line, draw this point across, draw it out, and bring it back in to complete the other hand. There. So now we have the 2 arms in. We're going to draw this line below the arm to bring it back towards the center. To complete the heart shape. There, that's a cute heart. And now I'm going to draw the 2 feet of the teddy bear. So I'm going to draw a big oval and a similar sized oval for the other foot. There. Now the rest of the drawing is easy. And I'm going to draw 2 curved lines there to connect the arm with the feet. There, so that's our cute teddy bear. And now let's color it. And that's how to draw a cute bear holding a heart for Valentine's Day. I hope you enjoyed drawing with me today. Please give the video a like and subscribe to my channel for more weekly uploads. Thanks for watching and happy Valentine's Day!